Namaste. Hope you all are doing fine, as I'm sure you're gonna be fine very soon. So, guys, I'm gonna talk about love. So, who doesn't love to love? So, what's love? There's so many definitions. People say everyone have their own perspective of saying what is love, defining what is love. But there's no right or wrong definition for what is love. Everything that you say, you feel, everything concludes to love. There's no definition. Everything that you share, care about someone so dear to you, so close to you, so you find love is everywhere. Love is between every other human being. Love towards, not just human beings. Love towards your pets, animals, or birds, or love towards nature. Love between many human relationships. The way you show love or expressing love might be different, but it is all different forms or different ways of expressing love. uh, so the when you love someone, maybe it's the love between your siblings, the love between your friends, love between the colleagues or parents and child or grandparents and grandchildren, loving your families, um, everything you have, you love them because they're so dear to you. The forms, it is the way you express, and the form might be different. It is all love. How you look at them, how you express to them might be in a different way, but that is all love. And love everywhere. Love is in the air. Though Valentine's week is already over a month or so ago, but still, love doesn't have any day. You don't need day or time or anything. Love is always there. So keep loving, guys. So loving, you love something. So be it when not just humans, when it comes to you love nature, you have love for something, the passion, the art, or the subject, or something materialistic or subjective that you have love towards, or something you're passionate about, you love to do something that interests you, doing some kind of work or activity, you have love towards that because it makes you happy. So you say you love it, you love doing something, you love some kind of photos, or you love some places, you love you love a song, so you tend to listen it more. You love to dance, so you dance, you learn dance because you love it. uh, so it can be anything. It's all different forms of love, but it is all love. Love doesn't have definition, so it is love itself is the purest form. You might have heard people saying the purest form of love is communication, purest form of love is sex, or purest form of that this is of love is so many things, but love itself is a very pure, precious thing. So I believe so I don't define like this was anything purest form of love, because love itself is very pure, something that everyone will love. Something you are interested or excited, everyone will tend to say that I would love to, because you're so excited to try something new. You'd love to have your favorite food, you'd love to learn something new. So if love doesn't have any structure, or there is no specific way of expressing or showing love towards something or somebody. So it's like you can't compare. Do not compare love. Even maybe between the siblings also, when if you take an example, maybe one siblings, baby sister and sister, or brother and sister, the way they fight or the way they show will be different, expressing love. Or the way one mother, the according to environment or whatever they passed or something, the way they bring up care and show love towards their children, the parents love, is it's love. Maybe the way they're showing it is different, or maybe between your spouse also. Not everyone are expressive, not everyone has the same way of expressing things, or telling it to you, showing how much they love you, or they love you uh, in actions. It'll be in words, or by doing something special to you, or giving surprise to you, something, doing something that makes you very happy. So it can be between anyone, but please do not compare. It is just love. That doesn't have any ways like this is called love and this is not love. Everything is love. Love is everywhere. Again and then again I feel to tell, because the word, when you pronounce it, that gives like kind of very good feeling, feeling loved, being loved. The students and teachers, they feel so good for being loved, being their favorite, having a favorite teacher and all that, being pet to your boss, something like that, not in a wrong way, but by the terms, going by the work or the performance that you do, they tend to love you in that way. You have some idols or celebrities, you love them for their work, or love them for their performances, or love the person who or she is, or love anything, something natural that loves, that you tend to love so much, like animals, or birds, or different kinds of sceneries, or nature places that you tend to love according to their taste. But everything is love. Love is everything. Love is in the air, guys. So my request is that do not compare love, be it mainly when it comes, between the partners or spouses. The way the husband and wife, or the couples, girlfriend, boyfriends, the way they express love, the way they show love to each other will be different. So do not compare. Everyone has their own ways. Enjoy how it is, what it is, the way, enjoy the new ways of feeling love and giving love. Always try to give love, spread love everywhere. When you look through the eyes of love, you don't see any hatred, because you love everything. Your eyes are filled with love. So please do not compare love. Any love, it is very diversified. So love is just love, and love is so pure. So please do not compare, and keep loving, and spread love, and feel the love in what you do. So you will feel more good about yourself and what you're doing. Love you all. Thank you.